What energy is the most reliable in terms of sustainability and long-term availability? Take note, okay? Take note of the uh, keywords natin dito. Very specific po siya. Most reliable in terms of sustainability and long-term availability. Ano ito? Alright? So anong meaning ng sustainability, 'di ba? From the word yung sa always natin na naririnig sa news with respect to environment, sustainable development, 'di ba? Ano iyan? Long-term availability, meaning to say unlimited siya. Okay? Hindi siya limitado. Ano ito? Very good. Lahat is sumagot ng letter. Ang bilis niyong sumagot ha. My forever talaga sa renewable energy. Kasi in terms of sustainability at saka long-term availability, siya po yung pinaka-reliable. Okay? Siya yung pinaka-reliable. So meaning to say, if ever man na mauubusan tayo ng mga fossil fuels, si renewable energy is nandyan pa din kasama tayo. Okay? Ano yung mga examples? We have wind, we have solar, we have geothermal, we have hydro, we have biomass, we have tidal.